Welcome to this week's Pass the FE exam video, and in today's episode, we're going to be diving into the transformative practice of reflective studying for engineering exam. Now join us as we explore how adopting a reflective approach can prepare you to elevate for your preparation for the FE exam, leading you towards achieving your professional engineering licensure. Let's jump right in. This video is brought to you by PPI, a leader in engineering exam prep for the FE and PE exams since 1975. PPI provides expert prep courses and study resources designed to help you pass the FE exam and the PE exam the first time. PPI's live online courses include hours of lectures, problem-solving demonstrations, exam strategy sessions, office hours, and a passing guarantee. And when you take a live online course, PPI guarantees that you're going to pass, or you can take the on-demand course again for free. With study guides, practice exams, and more, the PPI Learning Hub offers digital practice and review that you can take with you anywhere that you have a device so that you can prepare during the times most convenient for you. Check out PPI today at ppi2pass.com to see all of the options available for PE exam prep. Preparing for the fundamentals of engineering exam is a significant step towards obtaining your professional engineering license. However, this journey to success in this crucial examination often demands more than just mere memorization of equations and concepts. Now, to truly excel, aspiring engineers have to adopt reflective and strategic approach to their study regimen. Reflective studying is a powerful tool for boosting your FE exam preparation and can be particularly effective. But first, what exactly is reflective studying? Now, first, let's get over this, that reflective learning is typically involving looking back at something, past experience or an idea, and critically analyzing that event. By looking successfully and unsuccessfully at aspects of an experience, reflections will help students to learn from their past experience and also to turn surface learning into deep learning. Now, it's not just about passive absorption of information. It involves actively engaging with that material, asking yourself some questions, and then also analyzing your understanding. Now, this helps you to identify areas of your weakness, solidify your knowledge, and also to develop better problem-solving strategies. Now, here are some benefits of reflective studying for the FE exam preparation. Number one, deep understanding. So reflective studying encourages you to engage deeply with the material rather than just passively consuming it. Now, this can lead to a better understanding of the concept, which is crucial for success on that exam. Now, number two, we want to identify weaknesses. By reflecting on your study sessions, you can identify areas where you are struggling or you are lacking understanding, and this allows you to focus on your efforts on those areas, improving your overall knowledge and performance. Number three is about effective learning strategies. Reflective studying helps you to determine which study methods work best for you. Now, you can assess whether certain techniques such as flashcards, practice problems, or concept mapping are helpful in helping you to retain information effectively. Number four, retention of information. Now, when you reflect on what you're learning, you reinforce the material in your memory. This can lead to better long-term retention of information, which is essential for passing the exam and for your future career as an engineer. Number five, increased confidence. Now, as you reflect on your progress and you see yourself improving, your confidence in your abilities will grow as well. And this can help you to alleviate test anxiety and also give you the mindset needed to tackle the exam with success. Number six is the adaptation of a study plan. Reflective studying allows you to adapt your study plan as needed. And if certain topics are proving to be particularly challenging, you can allocate more time and resources to mastering them, ensuring that you're fully prepared for the exam. Number seven, continuous improvement. And this is something that I'm huge on. Reflective studying is a process of continuous improvement. By regularly evaluating your progress and making adjustments to your study approach, you can steadily improve your knowledge and skills leading up to that exam. Now, here's a breakdown of how you can implement reflective studying effectively. Number one, after completing practice problems, don't just check off the answers. You want to ask yourself, Did you understand the underlying concepts of that problem? What assumptions did you make of the problem as well? Were there any alternative approaches that you could have taken? Any different solutions that you could have come to? And could you explain this to someone else? Number 2, you want to be reviewing lecture notes and textbook chapters. Now, you also want to summarize key points in your own words. You want to also identify anything unclear or confusing during that session of studying. And then you also want to connect the material to real-world examples. Number 3, during mock exams, you want to analyze your performance under timed conditions. This is very important. You want to also identify areas for improvement in time management, stress management, or specific topics. And then you also want to adjust your study plan accordingly for these different matters. By incorporating reflective studying into your FE exam preparation, you can really gain a deeper understanding of the material. You can also develop stronger problem-solving skills, and you can also boost your confidence for success. Now, we just hope that you navigate these complexities for the FE exam with resilience, determination, and a steadfast commitment to excellence. Your journey towards engineering licensure awaits. We want you to embrace it with courage and conviction, knowing that the future of your engineering career lies within your own grasp. So the best of luck to you on your FE exam adventure. I hope that you found this week's video very, very helpful, and in upcoming videos, we are going to be answering more of your FE exam questions, and also we're going to be running through some more of those practice problems for you all. Pass the FE exam will publish videos weekly, so please be sure to click on that subscribe button, as you're going to be getting expert tips and tricks, including practice problems and solutions on a weekly basis to ensure that you pass that FE exam. And I encourage you all to ask questions in the comments that we're going to be reading and responding to in future videos. So if there's a specific topic that you want us to cover or a specific question that you want to have answered, please trust that Pass the FE exam will have you covered. I'll see you all next week.